Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing something exciting. I'm sharing food. We have been on the hunt, I don't know, maybe 2 years now. We have been very conscious of sugar and carbs and really just artificial ingredients in our food. I did keto for a while. I could not stick with that, but I think we're just in a good, like, happy medium where we're just kind of everything in moderation, except for those bad, like, super bad preservatives and artificial, but just no specific diet, but just eating cleaner, eating more plant-based, not totally plant-based, but just, I don't know, just a happy medium with that. But anyways, we are always on the look for some good places to get food like this because, as you know, or you should know, at your grocery store or at your local place where you pick up food, there's probably not a lot of good options. It's hard. It's always a struggle for us, especially with kids, in finding things that they like. So I'm always looking. We have a couple of different places we like to get stuff from. We found a new place and it is called Bubble. So they are really cool because they have just this process that everything that they sell goes through. So they make sure that it's clean, the ingredients are clean, nothing artificial, no artificial dyes, colors, flavors. There's no harsh, bad preservatives. If they do allow sweeteners, I had it up here. So there are like natural sweeteners that they allow to go through their approval process, like coconut sugar, things like that. But their 4-step process is ingredients, so they make sure everything is good as far as that goes. And then they also have a nice and naughty list. You can go on their website and look. It's really cool and it's really like eye-opening too, and kind of just helps you pick better or make better choices even when you're not shopping with them. But anyway, step number 2 is taste tested, so they make sure that the stuff that they're selling actually is good. I will say almost everything that we got was so good, and I'm gonna share what I got in my order and then my review on what we thought about it, and the girls too, so if you have kids it'll be a good review. Step number 3 in their approval process is innovative category leaders, so they choose the best of the best, and that goes for products, different categories, and then the transparency. Number 4, sourced and produced responsibly. They are all about making sure the brands that they work with are using ethical and sustainable practices. So they have tons of things on their website, from snacks to like side dishes. They have chocolate, all kinds of things. Everything you're looking for should be on here. There are so many more things that we want to try. I'm already like putting things in my cart to make sure I have my next order ready because we will be repurchasing a couple of things that we got, but I want to try some other things too. They have pet supplies, home and body. They have vitamins and supplements, which we got one I'll share with you. Beverages, bakery, snacks, pantry, and gift sets. They have so many things. You guys have to at least just go check them out. It's bubblegoods.com. And I think that's all that I wanted to share. Basically, traditional places that you get your food, the way that they're able to price and to make them readily available like that is to fill them with preservatives, make them cheaper, make them with cheaper ingredients that make them last longer on the shelf, and maybe they can produce faster but are totally bad for us. So if you get anything from this video, just research your ingredients, make sure what you're putting in your body is fuel for your body. It's just, I mean, what's more important than that, right? Okay, now for the good stuff. This is what we got in our order. We got a bunch of things. I wanted to get a good amount of products to make sure I got a good review, and I wanted to get a good variety of things. So first, I'm not going in any specific order, but first is this. Oh, one thing before we get started and finish, before I forget. The one thing that was weird, I thought I was gonna get a big box from Bubble Goods with all of my stuff, but everything ships separately, just so you know in advance. It wasn't a huge deal. It was just not what I was expecting, if that makes sense. Okay, first is this honey. It is raw honey and orange blossom flavor. They had a couple of different ones, but it's very good. I use honey a lot. I like to just eat it by the tablespoon sometimes. I like to use it as a carrier. If I'm gonna take like thieves essential oil, I'll drop some on some honey and take it that way. This is so good, and I wish you guys could smell. It is yummy. It smells good. Honey is awesome. It's something we use regularly, so I wanted to make sure I got some of that there. Again, there's a couple of different flavors. Next, and most of this is going to be open like this because I wanted to taste it before I shared. This is a chocolate substitute, Better Kebab. It's the crispy one. I will say, I think this is the only thing that I didn't like. Emery loves it. I tried multiple times to like this, and it kind of reminds me of chocolate, but not very much. And I don't like the taste of it. And I also I'm not a huge fan of the crispy, like, what's that bar? Crunch bar? Or I don't know. I just wasn't a fan. But this is organic, caffeine-free, vegan, and dairy-free. So good for so many dietary restrictions. It does have organic roasted carob powder. Powder. I am pronouncing that wrong, I'm sure. Organic cocoa butter, organic coconut sugar, crispy brown rice, vanilla, and I can't read the rest, but really good option, but I just wasn't a fan. Next, love this so much. It's cinnamon almond butter. I love almond butter on apples or just on toast as a substitute for regular peanut butter with all the sugar and additives, but this is palm oil free, peanut free, grain free, preservative free, and gluten free. It's so yummy, and it's a little bit different of a texture, I guess. It's more gritty than most almond butters I've tried. But it's so tasty, so good. I like to put it in my oatmeal too. There's just so many ways you can use it, and I love this. This was Base Culture. Oh, it's also keto. Did not know that. Cool. Okay. Next, this is probably the only thing we didn't try. I just haven't gotten around to it. This is a quinoa. We love this instead of rice sometimes. Just a super easy side dish for dinner. So this is the lemon and herb, I think, yeah. It says ready to eat in 25 minutes. You just boil it. You just make it like normal quinoa, but it comes with like flavor. So very easy side dish, and this is also, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and then all natural ingredients. Sounds really good. I think I might make it tonight. Okay, next. I am a pescatarian, so I didn't dive into this, but everyone else did, including Frankie. She like tore into it. It got left out, but the girls and Chris both all loved this. This is Prevail beef jerky. It's 100% grass-fed beef, and beef raised without antibiotics and hormones, no added nitrates, celiac approved, paleo approved, gluten-free and soy-free. A really good option if you guys like snacking on some beef jerky. They loved it. Oh, it's cherry wood smoked too. Okay, next, this was so good. This was a granola. We ate this so fast. I like to have granola on, just like on apple nachos. If you just slice up some apples and drizzle peanut butter or almond butter and honey and granola, or on yogurt. You can also just eat this with milk, like as cereal. It's so good. But I had never seen an almond butter granola, so it was so good. This I will be reordering like again and again. I might order more of them. And so it's vegan, GMO free, organic, soy free, ingredients that you can pronounce, certified gluten free and dairy free. Contains almonds and coconut oil. Oh, the ingredients are on the front. So it has gluten-free oats, almonds, maple syrup, almond butter, quick oats, maple sugar, flaxseed, coconut oil, vanilla, and Himalayan crystal salt. Super good. I love those. I don't remember if they had different flavors of that, but I like that one, was so good. Next, moon cheese. This is a good keto option too. It's literally just cheese. Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. And then it contains milk. They were so good. I wish I would have saved it, but we literally could not. It came in a 3-pack, and as hard as I tried, we could not save any to show you. But they're like little bite-sized pieces like this big, and they're crunchy, a different texture than like if you've had cheese crisps, those like Parmesan crisps. Oh, there's a little one. Let me see if I can show you. But it was a different texture and just so good. Here is a tiny one. It's like a crumb, but you can see kind of the texture. It's so good. We will definitely be ordering more moon cheese. I think there are definitely different flavors. I want to try some different ones, but these are such a good snack, especially if you're on keto diet. Okay. Okay, 3 more things. This was one of my favorites. This is Blake Hill Naked Raspberry spread, no sugar added. So I like to make yogurt parfaits with this, some yogurt, and this granola. It's such a good snack. And this has raspberry juice concentrate, pineapple juice concentrate, and fruit pectin. It's GMO free, gluten free, and vegan. Okay, 2 more things. These are pop and bottle oat milk lattes. It came in a 6-pack, 3 different flavors. They were all pretty good. If you guys like oat milk and oat milk lattes, you will love them. The mocha was my favorite, but obviously all clean ingredients, clean caffeine, no GMOs. It's a woman-founded company, which is cool, dairy-free, and no refined sugar. Here is just a close-up of those. I will be repurchasing these, especially if they have just the mocha flavored one by itself, but whew, these were yummy. And they all have different things. So the blue one is just the classic. It has antioxidants added. The orange one, the mocha, has adaptogens added. And then the pink one had collagen, which I thought that was super cool. I'm all about getting extra collagen in my diet. Last thing, supplements. We got vitamin D. That obviously is just super important in the winter and when you're not in the sun as much, but really good for your immune support as well. So we got these. I like to take vitamin D regularly. I've never tried one like this before, so love it. It has organic spinach, organic quinoa powder, the vegan capsule shell, but what else? I thought it had mushroom. Yeah, organic portobello, organic spinach, quinoa, and then veggie capsule shells, and then nothing else. So clean, super great option for a vitamin D supplement. It's 1000 IU, so 125% of your daily value. Love these. So I'm super excited that we came across Bubble. We will definitely be placing another order, and I will share. Let me know if you liked this. It's kind of like an unboxing, kind of just a review, because everything was already, we've tried. So let me know if you like this video. I will do another one next month when we get our next order. There will be a coupon code for you guys in the description and a link to shop, so make sure you check that out. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.